Let's talk about a word which is pronounced as ostracize. To ostracize someone. It is used as a verb, and in verb it is used as ostracized. He has been ostracized by the community. Ostracizing. Alright, it is also used in noun form, and in noun form it is used as ostracism. So ostracize, what is the meaning of ostracize as a verb? It means to exclude someone, to avoid someone intentionally, or to prevent someone from taking part in the activities of a group, to exile someone. Alright, like I was ostracized by the community, by the group of people, because I criticized the government. Alright, I was excluded, I was barred, I was exiled by the community because I criticized the government. Fine, you can understand the usage here. A lonely dissenter ostracized as an enemy of the people. A dissenter, because he dissented, he was ostracized, or he was excluded, as he was considered an enemy of the people. Alright, let's talk about some more examples here. She was ostracized from the scientific community for many years because of her radical political beliefs. She was ostracized from the scientific community because scientific community has ostracized her. Means scientific community excluded her because of her radical political beliefs, because she had some radical ideology, radical political beliefs. That is why the scientific community had excluded her, ostracized her, exiled her. All right. Also in noun form it is used as ostracism. That means the action of intentionally not including someone in a social group or activity. Fine, it means the action where someone is not including some group or some community. It means he is excluding. Fine. AIDS patients, the patients who are suffering from the disease AIDS often experience social ostracism and discrimination. Someone is facing social ostracism. It means he is socially excluded, he is socially ostracized, he is socially exiled. All right, so in this way the word ostracism is used. Children had to deal with the heartbreak of ostracism and ridicule. Bankrupts often have to face the ostracism of their friends. Alright, if a person who is bankrupt, or often he has to face the ostracism of their friends, means their friends are not including him, or his friends are now excluding him. Converts to other religions continue to experience social ostracism. Alright, if someone has converted his or her religion, he will be facing social ostracism. Alright, that is all. Thank you.